Welcome to Penultimate Touch. Now we are discussing time, speed, and distance. This is the sixth part of it. Let's start. For the first question, Amita travels from her house at 3.5 km per hour and reaches her school 6 minutes late. The next day, she travels at 4.5 km per hour and reaches school 10 minutes early. What's the distance between her house and the school? So, how will you solve it? We have discussed earlier that in this kind of question, distance is equals to speed 1 multiplied by speed 2 multiplied by difference of time divided by difference of speed, right? This is a simple equation. 3.5 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied by what is the difference of time? Difference of time is 6 minutes late and 10 minutes early. So it will be summed up. It will be 16, and this late and early minutes are in times are in minute, so it should be in hour because other datas are in hour. So this is what's the difference of speed. It's 1 into 60, right? So these points will be 100 here. So 15 threes are 15 fours are 4 fours are 4 25s are and 25 5 5s are 5 7s are. So it's 21 upon 5. 21 5 means 4.2 km per 2 km. This is the distance, right? I hope it is clear to you. We have solved this kind of problems earlier. It's a question of SSC CGL mains 2019. If you have any queries regarding this question, you should comment. Moving to the next one. A and B start moving from places X and Y to X respectively. At the same time on the same day, after crossing each other, A and B take 5 and 4 by 9 hours and 9 hours respectively to reach their respective destination. If the speed of A is 33 km per hour, then the speed of B. So how will you solve it? What we have learned that S1, or in this case S speed of A by speed of B will be equals to time after crossing each other of B divided by time of A after crossing B. So now we have to put the data. Speed of A is 33 upon S means speed of B root over it is taking 9 hours and 5 and 4 by 9. 5 and 4 by 9 means 49 by 9. Clear? So this 9 will be in the numerator and it will be here 49. So we have to get the rooted value 9 and it will be 7. So 3 3s are 3 11s are. So it will be as speed of B is equals to 77 upon 3 means 25 and 2 by 3. 325s are 75, 2 remains 2 by 3. I hope it is clear to you. We have solved several problems with this formula and this is important for your exam. Moving to the next one. A takes 2 hours more than B to cover a distance of 40 km. If A doubles his speed, he takes 1.5 hours more than B to cover 80 km. To cover a distance of 90 km, how much time will be take traveling at his speed? So how will you solve it? This is an important question as it was asked in 2019 and repeatedly asked in 2021. It was given a different data. Just this was changed. To cover a distance of 90 km was changed to 120 km in 2021. So it is a repeatedly asked questions. So how will you solve it? Look at it carefully. In the first case it says it is distance is 40 km, but the second case it is 80 km, right? So we have to equalize the distance for the betterment of the calculation. In the first case it says A minus B is 2 when it is covering 40 km, right? So if it is covering 80 km, then it will take 4 hours. extra. A minus B will be 4 in that case, right? So now this distance is equal, both are 80 km. So now we can get ratio of A1 and A2. A1 means the first case and A2 is the second case, because it says if A doubles its speed. So in the first case, ratio of speed is there. In the first case, if A's speed is 1, in the second case it will be 2. So what is the ratio of what will be the ratio of the time? We have learned that speed is inversely proportional to time. So it will be 2 and 1, right? What is the difference? Difference is 1 unit. But in the question it is 4 hours and 1.5 hours. So what is the net difference? Net difference of time. What is it? 4 minus 3 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. So it will be 5 by 2. So this 1 unit is equivalent to 5 by 2. Clear? So now you can get the speed of A and B exactly. How? For 80 km, A speed is not speed but time. Time taken by A is 5 by 2, right? And for B, time taken by B will be 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So it will be 1 hour. So what's B speed now? B speed to cover 80 km will be 80 km per hour. So in the question it is given that to cover a distance of 90 km, how much time will be take traveling at its speed? So the time taken, in case of 120 km it will be 120 upon 80. If it was 120 in 2021 it was 120, and in 2019 it was 90 km. So I am solving both for you. In the first case of 120, so it will be 4 3s are 4 2s are. So it will be 3 by 2 means 1 and 1 by 2. The option is not given here. It will be 1 and 1 by 2. If it is 2, then 1 and 1 by 2 will be right for 120 km. A time for, okay, I am solving it here, 90 will be 90 upon 80. It will be 1 and 1 by 8. So option C will be correct for 90 km. Okay, it's a good question and it uses basic concepts of time and distance, time, speed and distance. I hope it is clear to you. If it is not clear, any doubt, if you have any doubt, any queries, any question, you should ask. Okay, comment box is open for you. Moving to the next one. A person traveled the first half of the distance from her house to her office at 24 km per hour, exactly half of the remaining distance at 20 km per hour and the rest at 15 km per hour. Her average speed in entire journey was. So what do we know? Average speed is equals to total distance upon total time, right? So we have discussed similar question earlier where we have got the total distance by LCM, right? LCM of the given speeds. What we actually do in pipe and cistern and time and work too. So what is the LCM? LCM is 120. It is LCM and it is assumption of what? Total distance as well. Okay, so it will be 120 and it says it has divided into three parts. First is the half of the distance, then exactly the half of the remaining distance and then the rest. So it will be 60, 30, 30. Clear? So first part is covered at 24 km per hour. So 60 upon 24 plus 30 upon 20 plus 30 upon 15. Right? So it will be, we can minimize it, but it is not required here because 120 will be the LCM and 120 will go to the numerator, and it is 24 5s are so 300, and it's 6 so 180, and it's 2 so yes 15 8 so 240, right? So 120 into 120 divided by, it is 720 I guess, yes 720. So this will be 6 and this will be 20. So 20 km is the answer. 20 km per hour is the answer. 20 km per hour is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. We are just getting the total distance from this, right? If you have any doubt regarding this question, you should comment. Moving to the next one. Given that Dinesh travel a distance of 60 km such that the speed of Kivan, it is Kivan, okay? Kivan is faster than Dinesh, okay? The sum of their speed is 80 km per hour and the total time taken by both is 3 hours 12 minutes. Find the speed of Kivan. So how will you solve it? Look at it carefully. What is the total distance? Total distance is 60 km, right? What is the total time? Total time here mentioned as 3 hours 12 minutes means 3 and 12 by 60 means 1 by 5 means 16 by 5 hour. I hope it is clear to you. So here we can form an equation like 60 upon given, and this is given that given speed is greater than Dinesh speed. 60 upon k means given speed plus 60 upon Dinesh speed is equals to 16 upon 5, right? 16 common, k plus d is by kd is equals to 16 by 5. Okay, one more thing is given that k plus d is equals to 80. Sum of their speed is 80 km per hour, right? So this is equals to 80, this equals to 80, so it will be 60 into 80 by kd is equals to 16 by 5. 16 5s are, so it is kd is equals to 60 into 5 into 5. So we have to break down this number so that it satisfies k plus d equals to 80 and also k is greater than d. How can we do this? Look at it carefully. It will be 1500, right? So 1500 can be divided as 30 into 50 or 50 into 30 actually, because k will be the greater one. So value of k is now what? 50, and value of d is 30. What is the question there? Find the speed of given. What is the speed of given now? 50 km per hour. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, you should ask. Okay. Moving to the next one. A car travels for 11 hours. For the first 100 km, the car travels with a certain speed, and then it increases speeds by 15 km per hour to cover the remaining 280 km. The time in hours it takes to travel the 100 km part is. So how will you solve it? Sorry. So first 100 km at certain speed plus next 280 km at certain speed x plus 15 km is equals to the total time 11. So we can assume the value of x so that the summation will become 11, right? So it can be 50, 25, 100 is divided by 20 also, 5 also, but 5 cannot be there because it will be 20. So next is 20, 20 is 5. If it is 20, it's 35. 35 can be divided? No. So then it's 25. So if it is 25, it will be 4, and 25 and 15 is 40, it will be 7. So 4 plus 7, 11. How have we done it? X, it should be fully divided by 11, right? Not 11 but 100. Then the value should be something which can divide 100 fully. Either it is 5 or 10. 5 and 10 cannot be there because this value cannot be 1, or it cannot be more than 20. So it can be either divided by 20 or 25. If it is 20, then it is 5, but 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 cannot be divided, means 280 cannot be divided by 35. So this will be 25. We are taking 25. 25 fours of 25. If x is equals to 25, if x is equals to 25, then it will be 4. 25 plus 25 fours are 100, and it will be 25 plus 15 is 40, so 47. So total is 11. Clear? This is how we are assuming x equals to 25. So this is actually required. This 4 is the answer. Why? It says the time in hours it takes to travel the 100 km part is. So 100 km part is 100 by 25. It will be 4, right? 4 is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. Just you have to use your concept here. Sorry. If you have any doubt regarding this question, you should ask. I'm moving to the next one now. A train travels for 5 and 1 by 2 means 5.5 hours. The first half of the distance at 60 km per hour and the second half at 20 meter per second. Oh, this is meter per second. The total distance in km traveled as. So how will you solve it? First of all, we have to convert this 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second is equals to 20 into 18 by 5 km per hour, right? So it will be 5472 km per hour, and the given one is 60 km per hour. So what we have learned, that LCM is the total distance, or look at this, or what is the LCM of this? It was 360, right? 360 the LCM. We assume this as a total distance. So either this number is the total distance or multiplication of this number can be a total distance. So in the question only this number is given 360. So 360 will be the right answer. Otherwise, if you want to satisfy it, you can satisfy this. How? Because it says first half of the distance at 60 km per hour. So first half means 180 at 60 km per hour. So it will take 3 hours. And the second half is 180. It is at 72 km per hour. So it will be 2.5. So it is 5.5 hour, right? So 5.5 hour is satisfied. So 360 is the right answer. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt regarding this question, you should comment. Moving to the next one. The driver of a car which is traveling at a speed of 75 km per hour locates a bus 80 meters ahead of him. Traveling in the same direction after 15 seconds, he finds the bus is 40 meters behind the car. What is the speed of the bus? So how will you solve it? Look at it carefully. This data is in 15 seconds. Answer is recorded at km per hour. Moreover, 1575 km per hour is also given, and here is 80 meter and 40 meter, right? So what's the distance covered? Distance is covered 80 plus 40. In the first case it was 80 meter ahead, then it is 40 meter behind, so it will be summed up. So 120 meter is the total distance. So what do we know? Distance is equals to speed into time. Here this speed is actually relative speed. Why? Because there are two objects, there are two vehicle, relative speed, and this relative speed will be plus or minus. This will be minus because these are going in the same direction. It is mentioned there, it is going in the same direction. So if one is 75, another can let speed of the other vehicle driving a car at a speed locates a bus from him traveling same direction after he finds the bus is 40 meter behind. Okay, so speed of the bus can be we let speed of the bus as x, so it will be the relative speed will be 75 minus x. So distance is 120, it is 75 minus x. We have to multiply it with 5 by 18 into time. What's the time? Time is 15 seconds, right? So 120 15, it's 8. So it will be 8 into 18 upon 5 is equals to 75 minus x. So it is can it be fully divided? No. So 8 144 144 by 5. 144 by 5 means 2 and 8 and 0.5. 28 point not 5 but 8. 28.8. So 28.8 is equals to 75 minus x. So it will be 28.8. So it will be 75 minus 28.8 is equals to x. So it will be 46.2. X is 46.2. So 46.2 will be the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. If not, then you should comment. Okay. Moving to the next one. 49. An athlete runs an 800-meter race in 96 seconds. His speed in km per hour. So it's a simple question. Actually, this I have taken this to clear our conception that when there is a meter by second, to convert it to km per hour, what do we need? We need to multiply with 18 by 5. On the vice versa, and vice versa means km per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. Clear? So here it should be, what is the speed? Speed is on distance upon time. Distance upon time. So distance is 800 meter. Time is 96 seconds, but we are requiring it in km per hour, so it will be multiplied by 18 by 5, right? So it will be 30 km per hour. Option is the right answer. I hope it is clear to you. I have picked this to clear this conception to you. Okay. Moving to the next one. Next is a good question. Next one is a good question. Look at it carefully. A thief is spotted by a policeman at a distance of 480 meters. When the policeman starts to chase, the thief also starts running. The speed of the thief and policeman are 19 km per hour and 23 km per hour respectively. How far will have the thief run before he caught? So how will you solve it? Look at carefully. Suppose A is the position where the thief has started and it has gone to B, and this is 480 meter in the question. Now police starts and thief has crossed this much when police has crossed this much, right? So the police has gone at a speed of 23 km per hour and the thief has gone at a speed of 19 km per hour. Sorry. So here the time is constant because from A to suppose it is C, police is going in T time, and also to B to C, thief is going in t time, so t is constant here. So what do we know? Speed is equals to distance upon time. When t is constant, then s is equals to d, right? So it can be said that the speed ratio 23 is to 19 is equal to the ratio of speed ratio is equal to the distance ratio 23 is to 19. We can say that, right? So what's the distance between this 2? This is 4. This 4 is actually in kimi, means it's 23 and 19 are in kimi per hour. But this is 480 meter. 480 meter means 0.480 kilometer. So this 4 resembles 0.480, right? So 1 will be equal to 1 equalized to 0.12, right? So in this case, how far will have the thief run before he caught? This is the thief's distance. So it will be 19 into 0.120. It is 120, right? So it will be 12 nines are 108. So 10 in hand, 12 and 22 0. This much meter. 2280 meter is the answer. This is in kilometer. So we have to multiply with 100, so 1000. So in that case it will be 2280 meter. I hope it is clear to you. You have to solve this kind of question like this. When time is constant, then speed is equals to distance. So the ratio of speed and ratio of distance will be equal. If you have any doubt regarding this question or any question which we have discussed in this video, you should ask. Okay. We are signing off here now for this. Thank you.